Alright, for our first example problem, we're going to start out very simple. Let's solve the equation x squared minus 49 equals 0. So what I want you to do, the first step in all of these, is to really just copy down the problem. The x squared minus 49 equals 0, and copy it down below here so that we can, basically we're moving it somewhere where we can do some work on it. So let's put this over here, and our job in order to solve is to isolate the variable. We want to get the x squared by itself, but right now we're subtracting 49 from it. Another way to think of it is that we're adding a negative 49. We need to undo this negative 49. So in order to do that, we're going to add 49 to one side. But what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So I need to add 49 over there, and then right underneath it I'm going to rewrite it. We still have x squared. This minus 49 and plus 49 cancel each other out, and so I get x squared equals 49. Now I want only x on this side. I don't want it to be x squared, so in order to undo x squared, I'm going to take the square root of that. But again, what I do to one side, I have to do to the other, so I have to take the square root of 49 as well. The square root of x squared is just going to be x, so whatever x is, it's equal to the square root of 49. And now I need to figure out what the square root of 49 is, so I can go to my handy dandy calculator, and what you want to do is you want to go to where you see the x squared button that you would use to square whatever you want, and in blue you'll see the radical that is for the square root. So if you hit second x squared, it brings up the radical, and inside of that I want to put 49, and when I hit enter it gives me 7. A very common mistake would be at this point to just say x equals 7 and be done with it, but x isn't just 7, there's another possibility. It could be negative 7 as well. So we need to say that x is plus or minus 7, because positive 7 times positive 7 would give us 49. Negative 7 times negative 7 would also give us 49. So x is going to be one of those two things, and that is our solution.